against this injustice. We all get attacked in Warakashi. They will tell you it is the game changer. They will tell you about Murva Tengesi. They will tell you about the regime change agenda. No, it's not about the regime change agenda. It's about our children. In India, I can't imagine my son, my daughter, or a son of my brother, or a daughter of my brother, or of my relative, or of any villager. Kwandinogara, I can't imagine to see achita sezviri kuitwa apa. But it's happening. At my school, it is happening. So this is the reason why we are saying Mnangagwa is tired, inefficient, ineffective, and cannot lead the nation of Zimbabwe further. This is the reason why we are saying a retirement package for Mnangagwa is there. He should go to Sherwood Farm. Voramba vachirima ikokoko. He does have everything on his farm for him to be on retirement. So as the people of Zimbabwe, we do not hate these leaders. We hate incompetence, we hate corruption, we hate uselessness. Because they've become parasites in Zimbabwe. What they do is that they are doing everything for themselves and their families. They do not care about these people. We have seen rural people suffering from the education sector. Mwana chaichaiwe kunoku kumusha, I was asking my youth kuti, imimi my youth mbondiudzaiwo kuti izvezvi military iri kuita recruitment. Are you able to go and be soldiers? They said no. And I asked why? Zvikanzi hatina 5 O levels. And I said, ndirini kwamuchazowana 5 O levels idzodzo? They don't have an answer. But they are being used as tools of oppression by the regime. They are being used to intimidate people by the regime. They are used kuti vange vachikururisa vanhu ma t-shirt opposition. Yes. So we are saying enough is enough. This is the right time we take charge of our future. This is the case across Africa. This is the reason why we say this issue of change is not premised in Zimbabwe only. This issue of change should be a continent-wide protest against the incumbents who are taking us for a ride, who are making sure that we continue to suffer. We really need to take a look onto this matter and deal with it once and for all. As young Africans, we are tired. As young Zimbabweans, we are tired. I don't want to see my child. I don't want to see a neighbor's child going to school in such a circumstance. Wakagara padombo, uri kunyorera padombo. Unonzwa chi? What if chikakudonera chidhina ichichi? What will happen to you? This is the least they can do for the people who vote for them. But kana kwa kutenga mota, they will buy the best cars. Kana dziri nyaya dze-education, you will be told about sanctions. Kana dziri nyaya dzekutenga mota, you will be told about mukuru angafambe asina. Why are they not buying Datsun Go for these ministers? Datsun Go iri cheaper pakuitenga. Datsun Go iri cheaper pakuisevisa. Datsun Go iri cheaper in terms of fuel. Vanodzidi mota hombe. Since Mavanava vari kuitwa ministers, the majority of them are members of parliament already. Why can't they use service cars avo as MPs vachinifambira dzimwe nyaya dzavanenge vachifambira? Because ndezvipi zvimwe zviri kufambirwa nemaministers aya zvavari kuita? Because just driving kubva kudzimba dzavo kuenda kucabinet every day. Vanoda motikari dzekuita sei? Maprado avanotengera namaland cruiser avanotengera nama-V8 engine. For what? In a peaceful country like Zimbabwe, you need those military vehicles for what? This must end. And how does it end? It ends by you registering to vote. It ends by you making sure that you defend the vote. It ends by you by making sure that everybody is voting and is voting for change.